Actually, di man siguro siya sinina, guys. Mas daghan pa magtela ako ang panty kaysa ani niya. First of all, this is an angry vlog. I'm Isa, by the way. I am really sick and tired of hearing people say that every time a woman wears something slightly provocative, they're asking for it. So in this week's video, I've decided to wear provocative clothes for an entire week to prove to you that no matter what I'm wearing, unless I actually verbally say that I'm asking for it, I'm not asking for it. Enjoy! In order for me to carry out this experiment of mine, I had to do the following things. Research.
Blackpink Jennie causes nosebleed with this provocative outfit. She's showing her rib.
Prepare.
Sweetheart, I had that angel see-through top. Remember the cute one? I don't know where I placed it. It had angel. I found it.
Execute and document. So akong first outfit for day 1 was a pink mesh nga top with a beige sports bra and some white shorts na wala di ay naayo ang hem and nobody dared to tell me. So if you see the unfolded hem throughout the day, that's because I did not know. Distracted kay ang mga tao sa akong tutoy, so wag sa kabantay nga wala din nakadimaw ako shorts. Pero muna na siya. I've actually worn this outfit many times and for me di mo siya laswa, di mo siya provocative, but according to online, it is. So moto ako siya gisulob. Obviously, because we are still advised to stay indoors, gamay ra jud kayo among laag, but lakaw may parmuka og tuslubua. And honestly, I did notice a couple of people nga nitutok gid nako ing ana. I am used to people staring at me, so I'm not sure if they were staring at me because of what I'm wearing or because maybe kaila sila nako or because gwapa ko. Kay gwapa man jud ko. Char. It was pretty safe. After that, miuli ko and I did a live stream on Kumu in front of 13,000 people, no biggie. Nagsayaw-sayaw ko. Alam ko to. And honestly, nobody really said anything to me. Feeling nako, maybe wala lang kay ko kabantay sa mga reactions sa mga tao is also because ako di sa ko himantayon. Di ko no himantayon. Char. Maybe there was something that I wasn't seeing, so I decided to actually borrow a GoPro from my friend, and it gave me the opportunity to ask him this question.
What do you think of my outfit?
Okay raman, normal.
I would say all in all, day 1 was pretty interesting, but I was not prepared for what was gonna happen sa day 2. Day 2 started on a very rocky road. I actually found myself leaving a group chat because I was so infuriated about the things that I was hearing. Someone that I know actually said that luoy daw ang mga laki kay nadala daw sa temptasyon sa babay. Kita na gani bastuson ato pang sa. It is so frustrating. Lagot kay ko dahil nagyaw-yaw na sa kus internet, nagsyakit na sa kus balay, nang-block na sa kus tao, nadaot na sa nakaadlaw. But if I'm being completely honest, that interaction actually really inspired me nga mupadayon gyud ani nga challenge. So instead of ma-discourage ko, sa puton ko, ninggara ko. I wore one of my cutest yet most challenging outfits today. Kani siya nga top, ako ni siyang gipalit para ra unta photoshoot na di na ako ilaag, pero gihagit man ko. Gamayng lihok lang, mubuto makitaan sa world akong tutoy, pero push lang ta. Even if mubuto akong sinina gang, I still wasn't asking for it. To be honest, for this video, I did ask nga ubanan ko sa akong bana pirmi because obviously I was feeling a little bit more vulnerable. I was very outside of my comfort zone, but iya kong gisugo mo atong ayala, so napugos jud ko nga mulakaw on my own. Akong gibuhat was akong gidala akong GoPro, I put it in my bag, and then nilakaw ko dito. So ako na notice again, wala yun nang hilabot nako na initutok, syempre kay gwapa ko, but wala gyud like ning approach or ning bastos nako. We visited our friend, kasagaran na ato nga balay kay puro lalaki, barkada ra sad damo. And from what I noticed, most of the time ang lalaki mo'y mas critical, mas himantayon, mas hinawayon. Mura bag ngayon, di bitaw joke lang. That night, actually, I was so surprised because they did say na angayan ko sa kong gisulob.
I love the outfit.
And I was more happy because na-inspired sa akong mga amiga to dress up as well. And so we had a little costume / fashion show nga to sa balay, and it was just really fun to see women enjoy what they're wearing no matter what it was. Day 2 definitely taught me na even if you started off your day on a rough note, it's not the end of the day and things can still get better. So, ayaw pa-affect og mga tao nga ugubs, ha? Day 3 came rolling around and it was grocery day. So I decided to wear a Megan Fox inspired outfit, which was basically a very tight-hugging cami top and high-waist shorts. Kumutugan ko sinuod, I was very uncomfortable kay dili na ko style, and also sakit kay akong taler ato kay sige kaigo sa akong shorts kay ako siyang high waist, siya pang high waist pero tay high waist diri dapita, so wa din ko naman ti pag human ato kay sakit kay akong taler. Again, nobody really said anything to me. People would just stare. If I really think about it, I think it also has a factor kung asa ko ni decide mo adto. I wasn't gonna put myself in dangerous situations as well because I'm not here to encourage you to do that. So I just think nga mo sa na one of the reasons nga no safe for you go throughout this video. Day 4 was my last day of doing this challenge, but I did have a couple of things on my list this day, and the first one was I had a meeting with my Bayhana team. So I decided to wear, actually di man siguro siya sinina guys, mas daghan pa magtela ako ang panty kaysa ani niya, and I decided to wear it for my team, and this is their reaction.
Hi, Miss Ace! Ano yan?
Ito na akong outfit. Makita ko ninyo?
Come to group outfit.
What do you think?
Ito siya glampin. Charot lang.
I then asked them a couple of questions like,
What's sa inyong feelings ako outfit? Am I asking for it?
Really confident.
No one goes out wanting to be harassed.
What do you guys think about people saying that like she's asking for it because of what she wears?
If it's not verbal, then she's not asking for it.
and then later on after the meeting, I went out and nag-exercise ko. So nisunod ko exercise clothes, which is a sports bra and shorts. Kaya ang amang mag-gown ko. For the most part, tutukan ko sa mga tao, and I'm okay with it. Anad na ko tutukan. Mayngan pa kung ano. Kaya ko tutukan, basta ay lang ko hilabte. I am so grateful that in the last 4 days of me doing this challenge, I was not verbally or physically harassed. Just because wala ko hilabte ani nga video doesn't mean that women out there don't get catcalled or harassed every day. So I reached out to my other Bayhanas and asked them how they feel about women getting judged about what they wear on a daily basis. And this is what they had to say.
I have been catcalled countless times, even while I was wearing an oversized shirt, jeans, and sneakers. But not once since moving to Singapore have I been catcalled, even when I was wearing short shorts or my pole dancing outfit. When a person doesn't explicitly express that they want something, they don't want it. Not only are you setting double standards, you are also implicitly condoning rape culture. Wala ni mo diritso og sulti, pero mauna siya pasabot. Because of this bias, you are removing consent in the picture, and that is rape culture. Since when has a person's value become dependent on their fashion sense? Does that mean that when a person is dressed appropriately, that is the only time that they're deserving of respect? So if I see you and I think you're dressed in garbage, I have every right to treat you like trash. The moment you get mad, that tells me that you think you should be exempted from this. So when does it apply? When it's convenient? Where is the standard? Make it make sense.
It really disappoints me that up until this day and age, women are still expected to dress a certain way, to be a certain way, or to act a certain way. That just goes to show that we are still stuck in this heavily misogynistic society that dictates that men and their opinions are still superior to how a woman should view her worth and own body. And we are put in this broad spectrum wherein if you're very provocative in your choice of clothing or your lifestyle, you are then deemed very sexual or should be slut-shamed for it. And I know this could change, and I know it's very possible to change this because I, for one, grew up in a very conservative environment. But when I realized that I could take ownership over my own body, that's when I realized that my choice of clothing or the lack thereof should never be an invitation for you to sexualize me, to objectify me, or to even rape me. And so, as we women empower every woman that we face along the way, men should also strive to make this society safe for women to go out and wear whatever they want to wear. Because until then, women will never feel that they're safe in an environment that supports men and their actions.
I couldn't have said it any better myself. My decision to show as little or as much skin is not an invitation for you to touch me or for you to treat me in any other way than respect. If the way that I dress or the way that I act turns you on, paglulo dira. Ay lang ko hilamti, kay wa man ko nagpahilabot. Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you to run outside naked unless you want to. I'm telling you that you don't always have to cower in fear. Instead of hiding, use your voice to educate yourself and others. If na mo kamit og bati, prangkahi. Dili kay katawan na to ay pasagdi lang na. Do something about it and make it stop there. Set a good example. At the same time, I still think that us women have a responsibility to take care of ourselves. Like where we go, who we choose to surround ourselves with, and our capabilities to defend ourselves. Like for myself, ni-take yung ko og defense classes, and we have a video about it because it's so important to be able to protect ourselves in the occasion that others cannot. And remember, unless we actually verbally say that we want it, we are not asking for it.